we gotta go pick up this truck. Don't pay no attention to my.
Bonus time.
Yeah, they got it at this point. What's up, Z Squad? We back again with another video. But today, right now, what we're about to do is we're about to see if we can catch a still at COPART online and catch a vehicle on site unseen. We're looking at a 2006 Dodge Ram. Price right now on it is, I think it was like $350 last night. I did mark up the bid to like $300. So here's a couple tricks real quick that I can show you guys when it does come to bidding on these vehicles. Oh, it looked like the price went up to $400. All right, this is the vehicle we were looking at last night. When I did bid on it, it was like sitting at $225. So I know I'm not the only one that has my eye on this vehicle, because now it's sitting at $400. You see it says we are outbidded. So this one goes up for auction in about like 60 minutes, but the auction did already start. The auction already started, so you see us right here. We got the car on our watch list. Current bid right now is $400. We got 71 minutes until it appears on the block, so that we can bid on it. Couple things when you are looking at these vehicles, right? If I go to my watch list. Let's go to my watch list real quick, yeah. All right, so a couple things, right? For example, you could click on, I got this Dodge Charger right here. Now, before you go and inspect the vehicle, right? Especially if you online and you're looking and you didn't go to the spot to go look at the car before purchasing it, you just want to make sure you do a thorough inspection. Like, check it out, see if there's any check engine lights going on. We got an ABS, traction control light. It don't look like there's any other lights, but lights on cars can be hidden. This car got 145,000 miles. This is a salvage title. Another thing that you want to pay attention to is if it has keys or not. Some of these vehicles that they sell, they do not have keys. So I know you'll be thinking like, oh, I want a vehicle, and then you go to check and it's gonna say vehicle has no keys. So then you'll have to pay for the key. COPART has nothing to do with that at all. You'll have to pay for the key. But yeah, when you're bidding, you just want to make sure that you bid in your right location. I can't bid at this location, but if I wanted to, I could pay for a broker so that I could purchase the car from the broker. But I didn't see interest in this vehicle that much, so it's just sitting in my watch list. That's why it's right there right now. Now we're gonna go to the Dodge, because you guys seen on my last video that basically we were looking for a truck. Now, the Dodge that I had added to the watch list, it's right here. It's got a reconstructed title already. It has a reconstructed title already, which doesn't even matter, because that's what we plan on doing anyways, fixing a salvage vehicle. Has the keys, gas. When I go to the images right here, I don't see any check engine lights, which is a good sign. 8-cylinder. Then when you're looking at these pictures too, you want to pay attention to these little frame attachments in the front right here. You want to make sure there's nothing bent or anything like that. Obviously giving you telltale signs of a collision or a crash. But right here, I don't see nothing. But obviously this car is reconstructed, so it wasn't a crash before. The damage that's really on this car is the door. I don't know if you guys can really see that like that. There's a little dent in the door. Not too bad though. And it's a Dodge, so I'm trying to keep Dodge in the family, you know. Alright, Z Squad, I'm getting a little bit timid right now. Being bidded on is like, we got secret bidders that's basically bidding on a vehicle, and the price is just getting higher and higher and higher. Like last time it was at 400, now it's at 425. And it continues to go up like every like probably 20 minutes. So it's like, I gotta keep watching it and watching it and watching it. But yeah, we're gonna sit here. We're gonna keep watching out for other trucks that. Yeah, I don't know what is going on today, but people are bidding crazy numbers on ridiculous objects.
Bonus time.
Like, look at the bid for this right now.
Sold on approval.
$300, nothing.
Sold.
A lot of cars showing up on the block too with a lot of undercarriage damage. There's been a lot of them showing up like that. One of the last vehicles before I started recording,
Sold.
the whole drive shaft under it was inside of the car. Like literally inside of the car. The whole rod was inside of the car. Audi Q5. They want 6,000. I mean, they already bidding or starting to bid off at 6,000 for this. 122K miles. State Farm seller insurance. So this might be a good buy. But the back of the bed look crazy. Let's see if I click on it fast enough. Oh, it disappeared.
New bidder.
Watch them wind up spending like 1,000 for this.
Bonus time.
Alright, never mind. Oh no. There you go. Example, this should not have gone this high. Especially in the area where I get my cars from. This is like too high.
New bidder.
Don't forget you gotta tack on the COPART fees now. And it's not even $1,000 yet. But with the fees included, this is over $1,000.
Sold on approval.
Yeah. What the hell? This thing look crazy. Sheesh.
Sold on approval.
I don't think anybody bought that.
New bidder.
Probably want that shell. I was thinking about doing something like that, buying a couple vehicles and then having them just for parts. I was thinking about that.
Bonus time.
You don't even look like the engine is in there.
Sold on approval.
Look like they just paid for a shell.
This is a hot lot.
I don't know, y'all. We're winning the bid right now. $600 is at the max bid right now. But I know as soon as it go on to be bidded on or auctioned, I know it's gonna go up. Most I'm gonna bid on is probably 700. If I don't get it for 700, then they can just keep it.
Monster bid.
Oh man. They've been crazy on this call too right now. GMC K15 on it in 1969. It's clean, 569.
Bonus time.
All right, y'all, we up next. Let's see what's happening.
Sold. New bidder.
Oh my gosh.
Bonus time.
Yeah, they got it at this point. Oh my gosh. All right, y'all just seen that. We won. All right, Z Squad. We had to come to the ATM real quick. Hold on. Quick deposit. You know we gotta go pick up this truck. Don't pay no attention to my fives. I know it make me look childish. We'll keep like 60 out, 80 out. Nah, we're gonna see how much that is right there. Let that take that. We're gonna keep this in our pocket. Make sure there's nothing else in there. Throw that away. Fix that up a little bit. Oh, I'm gonna snatch my finger right there. This the money for the Dodge Ram, y'all, that we just went on auction real quick. So this is a major part too. When you making a purchase through COPART, you want to make sure that you do the transaction, the secure transaction, because it helps you save about $50 there. If y'all don't know, I'm basically giving y'all free game right now. You know what I'm saying? See how much, feel me? All right, so hopefully it takes the deposit this time and just spit these back out at me. All right, yeah. Everything good, looking good. Now, it's time to hop on the road. I got the square with me in the car, too. Square ass dude right here. He's a square. It's a fucking limit. Alright, Z Squad. We just left COPART. Today was a real disappointing day, right? After we just won our bid, right? The sad thing is that when we got over there for our time range for us to pick up the vehicle, I had ordered for a tow company to come and basically pick up my vehicle and transport it. Why the tow company never showed up, y'all? The tow company never showed up. Got me sitting there for hours looking dumb, and then got me booking an appointment for them to basically bring my vehicle out so I could transport it. I did it like 2-3 times, kept getting canceled. And they give you like a 30-minute window even if you are late for your first window. You know what I'm saying? I just kept getting canceled. Yeah, that shit blew my mind, yeah. So now I gotta go all the way back out an hour away to get this set up for tomorrow, yeah. And then on top of that, they got a thing over there, just like the other lot I went to. I don't know if it's just old PA or Pennsylvania lots, because that's what it was in York Haven, PA, when I picked up that Mazda from a while back. They basically don't even let you go into the lot. And if you do go into the lot, you basically getting chaperoned around, or you know, somebody's basically walking you around the lot, and they gotta sit there with you while you look at the vehicle. Like, that shit is obstruct. Like, it's fucking obnoxious, bro. That shit gave me a whole headache, bro. I don't even mean to curse like this, y'all, but that gave me a whole headache, y'all. But yeah, just made it back home. So I'm gonna catch y'all on the next part of this video in just a second.